Thinking about getting a wireless burglar alarm? Don't click buy until you've watched this quick info video. It could save you time, money, and a lot of hassle. Hello, I am Simon, security expert, founder of the Guardfather Security system, and I've installed everything from basic DIY kits to full commercial systems with all the bells and whistles with police calling and emergency response. Wireless alarms have exploded in popularity recently, but are they actually any good? Well, let's break it down. Section 1. The pros of a wireless burglar alarm. In my opinion, wireless alarms have three main advantages. Number 1. Quick and easy to install. That means minimal drilling, no mess, no chasing cables, and it opens the whole game up to DIYers. Number 2. Future expansion and flexibility. Look, houses change all the time, and with wired systems, this does create a problem. Let's say you want to add additional detection to a new area that you've maybe had an extension or something like that. Well, that means now running a new cable to that part of the house. It can be a messy and an expensive job because it can be quite time consuming. But you don't have that problem with a wireless burglar alarm. You can just add a wireless detector, a new one, and you're good to go. That new area of the home is now covered. And that does mean as your layout changes as time passes, you're able to adjust your system and move sensors potentially into different areas. Number 3. Many systems are smart home compatible, meaning they'll give you alerts straight to your phone so you can be in control of your security no matter where you are across the world, as long as you've got an internet connection. It really does give you peace of mind to know that there aren't any problems going on at home because you have notifications going if there was any issues at all. So if you're looking for something convenient and potentially DIY friendly, it's a great option, but they're not perfect. It's important we look at the cons of a wireless security system as well. Con number 1, they're battery powered. So that means you'll have to replace the batteries every couple of years. Now, you might be under a maintenance contract, which means the security firm will look after that for you. But if you're doing it DIY, that means you'll have to just keep on top of it and keep an eye on potentially your phone that will give you the battery life of each device and change them as you go. Like I say, every couple of years and you'll be fine. Number 2, signal issues. This is a problem in potentially massive homes or very old homes with really thick walls. If the signal has to travel a long way, there's a chance that you're going to lose signal on certain detectors, and that means you'll get error messages on your phone or on the keypad, depending on what style of wireless system that you've actually got. This isn't actually much of a problem anymore, to be honest. The signal ranges have got a lot better, but it is something to bear in mind if you live in, say, a big country manor house. If that's the case, you'll have to plan your layout carefully with potential wireless repeaters and things like that. I definitely wouldn't recommend DIYers having a go at a property that sort of scale. Get a professional company in and you can just rest easy then. Con number 3, cheaper systems can be jammed without the system giving you a notification, which is not ideal. They can be triggered falsely or sometimes just not trigger at all. On the real basic rubbishy cheap systems that I've come across, sometimes you can walk in front of a detector and it doesn't even see you, completely defeating the point of a home security system. So because of this, quality really matters. So who's it for and who should get one? It's ideal for small to medium homes, DIY setups, or if you want something quick and easy and modern. It's not ideal for large homes such as manor houses as we've discussed, or if you've got very complicated layouts. Or if you've already got wires in place, you may be able to save a few quid by just upgrading the existing system if there's already cables there, rather than a complete replacement. So, should you buy one? In most cases, yes. A good wireless system will do the job perfectly. Just don't go for the cheapest option. Remember, if you buy cheap, you buy twice. Hit subscribe for no nonsense security advice. And if you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll reply to every single one. See you next time.